What's up, fellow YouTubers? I've got a treat for you guys today. Actually, it's gonna be a few day process. I'm actually gonna plasti dip my whole car. So what happened was I picked up a new bumper for my car, and I asked the shop how much it'll cost to paint the bumper because it wasn't matching. So what they said was probably about $350, and I thought, $350. Why don't I just plasti dip my whole vehicle for $350? So I have right there maybe about 66 bottles of plasti dip. I live in California, so you guys are wondering, why don't you just get the kit? But I heard the sprayable kits, they're basically a washed down version, a watered down version of the plasti dip. So what I did was, hey, why don't I just go with the real thing? I've been looking for videos, people, they say, oh yeah, I plasti dip the car or whatnot. 13, they said they used 13 cans, which is one of the YouTubers said he used about 13 cans to plasti dip his whole car. I don't know, I'm not buying it. So, right there, there's about 66 bottles right there. You're just looking at it. And actually, I'm in on it for right here on this bumper alone. I used 9 bottles. It's got 6 coats on it. So I don't know how the other member was able to plasti dip his whole car with 13 bottles. But yeah, that bumper alone it was about 9 bottles to give it 6 coats. And I also did my side skirts right over there. The side skirts was about 6 bottles to do 6 coats. So I've got an Infinity G37, so that's what I'm about to do. Right over there. So I was like $350 to paint a bumper. I was like, hey, why don't I just do my whole car for about $350? So the plasti dip costs about $6 and some change for each bottle. So you do the math I'm in on it probably about 70 bottles right now. So you do the math. It's about $300 something. So to paint a bumper or to plasti dip my whole car. I was like, it's an old car. The paint isn't all that good, so why not just plasti dip it and give it a new coat of paint? But anyways, still more to come. Let me know what you guys think. Future things I'm planning to do is I'm planning to do the wheels. It's between graphite gray or the gold metalizer. So let me know what you guys think, and I can use your decision. And then yeah, you guys can help me mold my car. Thanks.